Judy and I were childhood sweethearts. When I went in the Army, I told her that I could be going to Vietnam, so I don't really want her worrying. So we kind of broke everything off. And when I got out, she was already married. And then apparently she got divorced and I was divorced, and 30 years later she called me up, came to see me, and 30 days later we were married. Yeah, that was meant to be. We have been together for 8 years. She had a mammogram and it showed a tumor. She got breast cancer.
She had the double mastectomy, and then she was clear for a while of the cancer, and then it came back.
When Judy came to me, she knew she didn't have very long to live. They were transitioning from Judy's employer plan and then going on to Medicare.
Judy had life insurance through a group policy at work. So Melissa said, well, does it have an accelerated death benefit?
The accelerated death benefit rider is very important because a person is able then to obtain the money prior to passing away.
If Melissa hadn't found that, I would have had to sell our house immediately. So having that made it more comfortable, so we were able to spend a lot of time together. The doctor gave her 2 months to live, and she asked God for 8 years. That's what she got, 8 years.
Judy died on December 7th, 2013. I know it was so hard on Jim, and I know he felt like a part of his life had just been cut away from him.
Judy's loss is hard enough, let alone dealing with financial problems. And the life insurance just made it a whole lot easier.
If he didn't have that supplemental income that he was able to have from it, he would have had to sell their house and to move. So it's made it possible for Jim to stay in the home and continue to have a place where he has these wonderful memories with Judy and do the gold mining that he loves so much. She's still blessing Jim, even though she's not here physically.